Lettuce belong to the aster family of leafy greens packed with calcium, potassium, vitamin C and folate. These plants originated in the Mediterranean region of Southern Europe, Eastern Asia and Northern Africa. Have your soil tested. The optimal pH range is between 6 to 6.8. Apply phosphorus and potassium accordingly. Improve your soil by adding well-rotted manure or compost in spring or fall. The soil should be well drained and moisture retentive. Till the soil deeply and then smooth the surface. Lettuce varieties include non-heading, loose leaf including oak leaf and Lola, soft heads, butterhead and Bib, ruffle heads, French crisp, summer crisp or Batavia, tall compact heads, Cas or Romaine, dense solid head, crisp head or iceberg. Lettuce seed is very small and difficult to see. Starting seeds indoors gives you the chance to handle the seed and control conditions while it is still cold outside, as well as during the warm summer. Indoor air temperatures easily manage fertility and water, and bright lights on a timer will produce strong plants. Sow seeds in the spring as soon as the soil is workable. For a fall crop, sow seeds about 3 months before the average first fall frost date. Plant seeds 1/4 to 1/2 inch deep in rows 18 to 30 inches apart. Thin the seedlings when they are still small. Clip off unwanted plants. Watering is important to grow salad crops, as they have small, shallow root systems. 1 inch of rainfall per week is adequate. If your soil is sandy, it is better to water more often than once a week. Lettuce will be crispier if you water it often in the days prior to harvesting. Frequent shallow cultivation with a hoe or hand tool will eliminate weeds. Scratch the soil just deeply enough to cut the weeds off below the surface of the soil. Mulching with grass clippings, wheat-free straw, or other organic material to a depth of 3 to 4 inches can help prevent weed growth. Harvest single leaves as soon as they reach a usable size. If you harvest individual leaves at the baby stage, leaving most of the small leaves on the plant, multiple harvests are possible. You can also remove the whole plant by cutting it off at or just above the soil surface. Thank you for watching, and please click on the subscribe button to be notified on the upcoming similar videos.